okay? You want to have a little triangle like that. Alright, you want to make sure it's on a stable, flat surface. And you will settle in the baby in by supporting her neck. And she just got a bunch of blessings from all her best lovers. Yay! But she needs to stretch so she could grow. And then have the cutest little great niece. And they're stretching. Okay, and then you take this corner, you go over this shoulder. I'm going to tug that underneath her. And I bet you she's hungry. Look at that. And then you take the bottom corner here. She's getting big. Most of the time, she's getting tall here. So if you want to make this small, a little bit bigger, you want to pull up the sheets. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to redo this. Wake her up. Support her neck. Gotta give her a kiss before you pick her up again. And in order to make that bottom longer, you have to make the triangle a little bit bigger. Here she is. She's going to try stretching again. Gonna put her arm down. And swaddling has been practiced forever. From generation to generation to secure them. Gọi là chỉ sót gang. Mong thì baby get gang này là nuôi là sẽ là nuôi. Thì chỉ tạo nên đó là anxiety, and anxiety is not good. So once you do that, you take a little bit of the corner here because you want to wrap this up around your shoulder. And you go around like that, underneath your shoulder, underneath your neck, around, and she's like a little egg roll. Ta-da!